Ever wondered what goes on inside your brain? It's not just a tangled mess of neurons, you know. It's a buzzing hive of electrical activity. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of brainwaves and their functions. Think of your brain like an orchestra. You've got different sections, the strings, the brass, the percussion, all playing their part to create a symphony of sound. Similarly, your brain generates different brainwave frequencies, each associated with distinct states of consciousness and cognitive functions. From the depths of sleep to the heights of concentration, these electrical impulses shape our experiences, thoughts, and actions. So, buckle up, fellow brain explorers, as we embark on a journey to decode the language of our minds. Picture this: billions of neurons, the tiny messengers in your brain communicating with each other through electrical impulses. These impulses, when measured, create rhythmic patterns that we call brainwaves. It's like the electrical hum of a vast, complex circuit, constantly active, orchestrating everything you do. These brainwaves aren't just some random static. They are the very essence of your thoughts, emotions, and actions. They dictate whether you're fast asleep or wide awake, lost in a daydream, or laser-focused on a task. They are the electrical signatures of your conscious and subconscious experiences. Throughout this journey, we'll be exploring the different types of brainwaves, from the slow and steady delta waves to the rapid-fire beta waves, and understanding their unique roles in shaping our mental landscape. Get ready to see your brain in a whole new light. Let's start with the slowest of the bunch, the delta waves. Imagine a deep, dreamless sleep, the kind where you wake up feeling like you've been reborn. That's the domain of delta waves, the slowest brainwave frequency, typically occurring at less than 4 Hz. These waves are the heavy lifters of the brain, responsible for deep restoration and healing. When delta waves are dominant, your body can focus on repairing tissues, boosting the immune system, and replenishing energy stores. It's like hitting the reset button on your entire system. Ever notice how a good night's sleep can make you feel sharper and more alert? That's delta waves at work, clearing out the mental cobwebs and preparing you for the day ahead. So if you're feeling groggy or burnt out, prioritize those Z's and let the delta waves work their magic. Chapter 3. Theta Waves, the gateway to intuition and creativity. Next, we venture into the realm of theta waves, the brainwave frequency associated with that magical state between wakefulness and sleep. You know that feeling when you're drifting off and vivid images and creative ideas start bubbling up? That's theta territory, my friends. Theta waves are slower than alpha waves, typically oscillating between 4 and 7 Hz. They are linked to deep relaxation, profound meditation, and enhanced creativity. When theta waves are prominent, your mind is in a state of heightened receptivity, open to inspiration and insights that might elude your conscious awareness. Think of theta waves as the bridge between your conscious and subconscious mind. They allow you to access the vast storehouse of creativity and intuition that lies within you. So the next time you find yourself daydreaming or lost in thought, don't dismiss it as unproductive time. You might be tapping into the power of theta. Chapter 4. Alpha Waves, your relaxation oasis. Now let's shift our focus to alpha waves, the brain waves of relaxed alertness. Imagine yourself lounging on a beach, the gentle sound of waves crashing against the shore, a sense of calm washing over you. That's the alpha state, my friends. Alpha waves fall in the frequency range of 8 to 12 Hz, and they dominate when you're relaxed but not quite asleep. It's a state of mental tranquility where your mind is free from excessive worry or racing thoughts. Alpha waves are like a mental massage, easing mental fatigue and promoting a sense of well-being. Studies have shown that alpha brainwave activity is linked to improved focus, reduced stress, and even enhanced creativity. So, whether you're practicing mindfulness, listening to calming music, or simply taking a few deep breaths, you're essentially inviting those alpha waves to take center stage. Chapter 5. Beta Waves, the engine of your active mind. Finally, we arrive at the fastest of the brainwave frequencies, the beta waves. This is the domain of your active thinking mind, the mental state you're in for most of your waking hours. Beta waves, typically ranging from 12 to 38 Hz, are associated with alertness, focus, and cognitive processing. When you're engaged in a challenging task, solving a problem, or having an intense conversation, your beta waves are firing on all cylinders. While essential for daily functioning, excessive beta activity can also lead to stress, anxiety, and restlessness. Think of it like your brain in overdrive. That's why it's crucial to balance those beta waves with periods of relaxation and activities that promote slower brainwave states. Outro: tune into your brainwaves. So, there you have it, a glimpse into the fascinating world of brainwaves. From the depths of delta wave sleep to the focused alertness of beta waves, these electrical impulses shape every aspect of our experience. Understanding your brainwaves can help you optimize your mental health and productivity. Imagine being able to hack into this system to consciously shift your brainwave state to match your desired outcome. While it might sound like science fiction, techniques like neurofeedback and biofeedback are making it increasingly possible to train our brains and harness the power of these electrical rhythms. Stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of your mind.